Oh, hey. Yeah, come on in. Come check out my place. Welcome to the greatest apartment this side of Seattle. As you enter in, you see right here we have a console table with a completely real plant. Nice room for shoes. This is actually an old desk, but shh, it's our little secret. And over here you have Our Lady of Booze. She watches over the place and can also be used as a weapon. This is actually super heavy. Got it at a white elephant party. Now, come on, check out the main room with me. So this that you see here is our well-appointed living room, where we come to relax after a long day of work. It's really a place where a man can sit in this sun-bathed place with a phenomenal view and just ponder the mysteries of life. This is our reading nook where you can come and sit in the morning, have a cup of coffee or a glass of scotch at the end of the day, just to, enjoy the sunshine coming from your back and the fire crackling in the corner over there. Oh, hi, over here we have our corner where you can play the piano, look to the hills for inspiration, and really just find the music in life. This right here is just, our lounge area where we have just our couches and a TV, a place to hang out with friends, and have our Michigan flag up there, just to remember where we come from. We have a little reading nook over here, and then we have a piano just over here, just a place where a lot of life happens to hang out. Next we'll come out to our balcony, which best view in Seattle right here. So this is our balcony, and as you can see, just a phenomenal view. It's actually a pretty large balcony too. We have a lot of room to sit down and store stuff. Have a nice, very real tree right there. Welcome to our kitchen. It's actually a eat-in kitchen and it's pretty large. But the best thing of all of it is the view that you get from it. Now we're going to check out our rooms over here.
Yeah.
This first room is my room, pretty good sized room. Nice closet over here, and I make sure to make it my own with my own details to it. Now let's go over to Abhi's room, where the real magic happens. This is Abhilash's room. Biggest room in the whole apartment, but as you can see, he keeps it pretty much completely barren. Conquer. Let's come over here, check out the other room in the bathrooms. As you can see, these black holes right here are bathrooms. And there's really nothing to write home about those. They're bathrooms with laundry, good stuff. And then this over here is our other roommate's room, but he's not here, so we're not gonna go in there. He also has a balcony that no one has ever seen since we moved in. Don't think he uses it, but I bet it has a great view. Okay, well, that pretty much concludes the tour of our place, so get the hell out. Seriously. Go. Go, go, go. Go. Don't let the door hit you where the good Lord split.